Apple's big iPhone unveiling is only weeks away. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to launch on September 9, 2025, and it's packed with serious upgrades. An A19 Pro chip, a powerful periscope zoom camera, a sleek titanium design, and yes, finally, reverse wireless charging. And Apple will also showcase the new iPhone 17 lineup with iOS 26 pre-installed. iOS 26 brings a brand new liquid glass design and smoother performance across the board. Syncios will with full support for iOS 26 and the entire iPhone 17 series once they launch. Gives you a complete solution for every upgrade challenge. Whether you want to transfer your data from your old phone to your new iPhone, or you forget your new passcode or get stuck on Apple ID lock, and maybe you lose your chat history, photos, or files from WhatsApp or some other platforms, you can find the solution from Syncios. So when the iPhone 17 Pro hits on September 9th, make sure you're ready. Upgrade with confidence. Use Syncios for your complete iOS companion for transfer, unlock, and recovery.